today's video, we will see how to do paper trading in TradingView. Open paper trading account. So firstly, you can simply click on the trade at your top of the screen to open all the broker section. Okay, if you not add here. If you already have a broker, don't worry, you can open the broker section. Now here click on paper trading and now click on connect. After click on connecting, here you will see in a bottom side, you will see the broker panel open here where you will find your paper trading, where you will see your position, order history, balance, trading journal, and many more. Okay, your account balance, equity, and many things. Now here you can simple, don't worry, you can simple firstly here trade using the paper account. You can here buy or sell the thing which one you want. You know how you can easily do it. And after buying or selling, you will see here you will see the buy and sell chart. You can simple take on it, and then you can simple use this feature. And once you done, you will find it will reflected on your trading view panel. Okay, so you right click and open the index here where you will find the buy index and the sell index. Okay, and also here you will see a trade button where you can easily do a trading. So once you trade, it will reflect here. So here is how you can easily open the TradingView, the paper trading account on TradingView. TradingView mobile application. Turn on paper trading and start the trading. So to add, you can simply firstly click on the broker icon to open the all the brokers. Now here you will see the first broker is called paper trading. Okay, then you can simply tap on it. After once you click here, it will ask you to connect. You can simply click on connect. Once you click on connect, the paper trading will be add here. Here you will see the icon will be add right side of the broker icon. Here you will see. Okay, now to start the trading, you can simple here buy or sell the chart, means the trade where you want. You can simple here buy or sell, and then you can manage hit here on your paper trading admin panel. Okay, your amount balance, equity, your orders, your order history, your balance history. Okay, once you here trade on any specific chart, the paper trading will be start here. Okay, goodbye.